Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Toyota Highlander's clock. First, find the disp button, usually on your steering wheel. You'll need to press and hold this button for a few seconds. Keep holding it until the word clock or a clock icon appears on your multi-information display. This initial step gets you into the clock adjustment menu, ready for the next steps. It's a straightforward process for many Highlander owners. Once clock is displayed, press and hold the disp button a second time. You'll notice the hour digits on your clock display will begin to flash, indicating they are ready for adjustment. Now, simply tap the disp button repeatedly to cycle through the hours until you reach the correct one. After selecting the hour, pause for about 5 seconds, and the system will automatically save your hour setting. After the hours are set, the minute digits will automatically start flashing, signaling they are ready for adjustment. Similar to setting the hours, you will tap the disp button repeatedly to advance the minutes. Continue tapping until you reach the precise minute you desire. Once you have the correct minutes displayed, wait for another 5 seconds. The system will then automatically save your minute setting, and the clock will be fully updated. Your clock is now set. The system automatically saves your changes after 5 seconds of inactivity, returning to the normal display. If you have a navigation system, you might also find clock settings within the setup or general menu on the touchscreen, sometimes with options for GPS auto-adjust. For more great tips, check out the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.